Long answer type question, Chapter 7, Class 7. Question number 1. Write 4 differences between weather and climate. Come to its answer. First point, weather. Weather is the atmospheric conditions of a place on earth on daily basis. Means weather is the time to time it changes. It is the atmospheric conditions of a place on the earth on daily routine or daily basis. And climate is the average atmospheric conditions of a large area over a prolonged period of time for more than 10 years or 25 years. Means it is the average climatic condition, average weather conditions of a large area over a prolonged period of time. Now come to second point. Weather can change from one day to next. Even in a single day, it can change many times. Weather can change from one day to next, it is not fixed. Climate, it is a stable pattern of weather of a place and generally remains unchanged. Third point is weather is assigned to a small area and climate is assigned to a large area, that is for a region or a country. Fourth point, weather conditions include factors like temperature, rainfall, humidity, wind, etc. of a place. Climate includes average temperature, rainfall, etc. which prevail in a region. Now, question number 2. What features of penguins make them different from other birds? How do they cope with extremes of polar climate? Now its answer is penguins, they are adapted in the Antarctic regions and their unique features are, first is they are birds but designed for life in the sea. They cannot fly but are very good swimmers. Means they are just like the sea animals. Second point is a coat of fat which is up to 3 cm thick helps them to survive in freezing conditions. Third point is their feathers are stiff and very tightly packed. So these stiff feathers act like waterproof coat. Fourth point is the dark plumage absorbs heat. Plumage means feathers that cover the body of a bird. Now these absorbs heat. Next point is on land most penguins walk upright on their hind feet. They can rest on their heel and tail, thereby reducing contact with cold ice. And next point is penguins have a unique social behavior. They live in huge clusters and also huddle close together to keep warm. Children, about birds we know they have hollow and light bones, but the penguins they have heavy solid bones which allow them to stay underwater effortlessly. They can remain underwater effortlessly, and their wing shaped flippers make them fly underwater at speed of 14 to 15 km per hour. Means they are good swimmer. Next point is their streamlined body and webbed feet also make them good swimmers. Penguins are good swimmers because of their streamlined body, webbed feet, wing-shaped flippers. Now question number 3. List the adaptation of polar bear. Come to its answer. Adaptation of polar bear. First one is the dense fur made of keratin. Keratin keeps the polar bear warm and dry. The white fur merges with the snowy background. and hence protect them from predators. Their white color helps them in hiding from their predators. Predators means the enemies. Next point is polar bear has thick layer of fat under their skin called blubber. Blubber means thick layer of fat under the skin, and this thick layer keep them warm during winter or cold conditions. Third point is ears are short to prevent heat loss. Heat loss is minimized by the short ear. Next point is the feet have soft bumps, and these soft bumps provide traction on the eyes, and the short tough claws they help in gripping the eyes. The feet have these soft bumps and tough claws, so they help in easily moving on the ice. Next point is polar bears are strong swimmers, and they are known to swim at a speed of 100 km per hour. Next is their nostril can remain closed underwater for over 2 minutes. Means they can close their nostril when they are in water. Now question number 4. Explain tropical rainforest ecology in 3 strata of the forest. Its answer is first strata of the tropical rainforest is canopy. Canopy. Birds live on the upper strata or canopy of leaves of tall trees. Most of them are bright colored. Bright colored birds. Toucans and hornbills obtain their food from the upper part of the canopy, while parrots and macaws obtain their food from lower down in the canopy. So they are arranged in the different layers of the canopy even. Understory. The layer below the canopy is understory. Most of the animals living on trees are arboreal. Arboreal animals are those which spend a lot of time on the trees. So these animals are adapted to live on the trees. Monkeys, lemurs, apes and orangutans have rotating arms for grasping branches. Monkeys also have prehensile tail, which not only helps them to swing from branch to branch but also to hang down from the branches to reach their food. Third layer is forest floor. Animals inhabiting the forest floor include leopard, gorilla and elephant. Asian elephants are commonly found in rainforest of the Western Ghat, Northeast India and Southeast Asia. Question 5. What is predator protection mechanism? List some adaptation of animals which help them to keep away from predators. Question meaning means predator protection mechanism means how animals protect themselves from their enemies. Now answer is first method is hiding. Animals simply hide in burrows, under rocks, under leaves or under tree barks from their predators. Second one is camouflage. Animals blend into the surrounding. Example, stick insect and some butterflies. So they are perfectly invisible when they are still. Scare the predator. Some animals convince the predator that they are bigger or fierce than they really are. For example, many butterflies they have large eye design on their wings and which make them look like head of large animals. Next point is warning color and scent. Some animals they have warning color and produce some scent that protect them from their predator. Poisonous animals openly advertise their defense with color and scent. When a predator eats one member of the group, it gets sick. The memory stays with the predator who will avoid that animal in the future. Next point is the huge bright red eyes of tree frog scare the predator. The white fur of polar bears merges with the snowy background and hence protect them from predators. Question 6. List the adaptation of animals living in hot and dry climate. Hot and dry climate like desert. Now answer is animals living in hot and dry desert climate have the following adaptation. First is animals like camel store water in their hump for later use. They also have padded feet, and these padded feet help them to walk easily on sand. Second point is animals in this region spend daytime under shade as temperature is very high here during daytime. They come out at night in search of food. These animals are called nocturnal animals. For example, reptiles like snake. Some animals don't cope with heat and go for a long summer sleep to escape from heat. This is called estivation. For example, rat and salamander. Rat and salamander undergo estivation.